In today's video, we'll be making milk bread. I will first add 250 ml of lukewarm milk into my bowl, followed by 1 whole egg, 10 grams of dry yeast. Then whisk everything together. I am using 600 grams of flour, 100 grams of powdered milk, 60 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. Then mix everything together. I am using 60 grams of softened butter. Use your hand to mix it very well, and make sure that your hands are very clean. After mixing, I will cover and allow to rest for 45 minutes in a warm place. And here is our dough after resting for 45 minutes. I will sprinkle some flour on my working area and drop the dough. I will divide into 8 equal pieces. And I will form balls with them. Let me use this opportunity to thank all my viewers, both new and old. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. My name is Akudo, and you are welcome to Akudoskitchen. And to my old viewers, I thank you all for watching and sharing my videos. May God bless you all. Keep on watching. Now I will roll out the last 2 balls and make slices into them. And roll up. I will cover and allow to rest for 30 minutes in a warm place. Here is our bread after resting for 30 minutes. Now it is time for egg wash. I am using 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. After that, I will bake in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. Here is the outcome of our bread. It is very soft and tastes delicious. Thank you once again for watching my video. See you in my next upload. Bye.